Is settlement in divorce received by an ex-spouse taxable? These days, divorce cases are increasing, but we do not have the exact law around it. So we rely on court rulings and legal precedents. Now, taxation absolutely depends on how the alimony has been received. There are three main ways of giving an alimony: one-time lump sum payment, regular payments or monthly payments, or transfer of a property or asset. First, let's talk about lump sum alimony. Is it taxable? No. Courts have ruled that lump sum payment is a capital receipt. That is, it is not part of the taxable income. It's seen as a compensation for relinquishing future financial claims. But what if alimony is received as a monthly or yearly payment? तो ये टैक्स फ्री नहीं है. Since it's a recurring source of income, it is fully taxable under the head income from other sources. In simple language, it is just like interest or dividend. Now, what about alimony through asset transfers? If assets are transferred before the divorce is finalized, it's still tax-free as it is considered as a transaction or a gift between spouses. Once the divorce is finalized, the game changes because spouses are not relatives under Income Tax Act anymore. Any transfer of property between the ex-spouses become taxable. But what about the person paying the alimony? Do they get any tax benefits? Absolutely not. Alimony is a personal obligation and not a business expense. This means that the paying spouse cannot take any tax deduction or benefit against these alimony payments, even if it is getting debited directly from their salary account or business account. Keep following us for more such information.